If Firefox is suddenly using too much CPU or memory on Windows, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of the most common browser performance issues, and it can make your computer feel slow, laggy, or even freeze while you're just trying to browse the web. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling anything or losing your important data. We'll start with extensions, then check for updates, then adjust hardware acceleration, and finally refresh Firefox if needed. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's troubleshoot your extensions. Extensions are small add-ons that give Firefox extra features, but sometimes one of them can run buggy scripts in the background and cause a big spike in CPU or memory usage. To check this, open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. From there, choose Extensions and Themes, then click Extensions. You'll now see a list of everything installed in your browser. Start turning extensions off one by one, especially ones you recently added or ones you don't use often. After disabling each one, test Firefox for a few moments and see if the performance improves. If your CPU usage drops after turning off a specific extension, you've likely found the culprit. You can leave it disabled, remove it completely, or look for an updated version from the developer. If extensions are not the problem, the next step is to update Firefox and make sure your system is current. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues, and older versions of Firefox or old graphics drivers can sometimes force your CPU to work harder than it should. To update Firefox, click the menu again, go to Help, and select About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates and install them if one is available. Let it finish, then restart the browser when prompted. While you're at it, it's also a good idea to check for Windows updates and graphics driver updates, because the browser and your system need to work well together. Once everything is updated, open Firefox again and see whether the high CPU or memory usage is better. Now let's try hardware acceleration. This setting allows Firefox to send certain graphics tasks to your GPU instead of relying only on your CPU. In many cases, that helps performance. But on some systems, especially if the graphics driver is outdated or incompatible, it can actually create glitches and cause higher usage. To change this setting, click the menu and open Settings, then search for Performance or scroll until you find the Performance section. First, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. This will reveal more options. After that, you can uncheck or check Use Hardware Acceleration when available, depending on your current setup. If it is already enabled, try turning it off. If it is already off, try turning it on. Then restart Firefox and test it again. Sometimes the difference is immediate, and this simple switch can solve the issue. If Firefox is still running hot after that, the last and most effective fix is to refresh Firefox. This is a great option when the browser has become cluttered with old settings, broken add-ons, or performance issues that keep coming back. The refresh feature resets Firefox back to its default state while keeping your important data like bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history. To do this, click the menu, go to Help, and select More Troubleshooting Information. On that page, look for the Refresh Firefox button in the top right corner. Click it, confirm the prompt, and let Firefox complete the reset. Once it finishes, it will reopen with a clean configuration, which often solves stubborn CPU and memory problems. After that, check Firefox again and browse normally for a few minutes to see if the issue is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem completely. If not, you may want to look deeper into Windows task usage, driver problems, or even a specific website that is causing the load. But for most users, disabling extensions, updating Firefox, adjusting hardware acceleration, and refreshing the browser will do the trick. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.